I think here it's we go to the good old test and trial. So we test. So for instance, at Lemlist, we tested out a bunch of things in co-marketing. Like we experimented with, for instance, as well in the lead sharing part, we experimented with forms in the app. So inside Lemlist, we were asking users if they needed help from experts. And with a simple form, essentially them giving us a brief of what their need was and sharing those with leads. It worked fairly enough. We simplified the process at some point, but we definitely did test out this one and then polished it and automated in a different way. We also tested sending suggestions to our partners of features that were not being used by certain of their clients. So for instance, at Lemlist, we launched the in-app calling, so the ability to call from Lemlist, and we noticed that some of our partners' clients were not using the feature. So we identified which of those clients were not using and which they could be a good fit for. You can also go to your growth ops or whoever person that handles that type of thing, and you can even scrape like who's using the alternatives to the solutions. So for us, it was Aircall, it was other tools. And we could do a very soft message to our partners saying like, hey, you've got this client, they could benefit from this tool because they could X, Y, and Z. It should always come from the approach of how we can add value to your clients and not how we can upsell you.